Alright, here's your car. You can see there's basically no clear coat left on the hood. Here's the wheels Ryan put on it. Don't know anything about them, but the tires look like they're brand new. Here's Ryan's famous dent with some silicone in it. I'd forgotten that it was damaged down here too, but it is. In the trunk, there's some other wheels and some plastic shit, and I don't know what else. Oil pan. Yeah, that's what you got in there. These trim pieces are missing on, I think, both sides. Mirror. Paint on the mirrors is trashed. Here's the seats that Matt put in. Big old honking shifter. It says 132,000 miles on it. It does run. Really wet inside though, so I cracked the windows to try to air it out a little bit. I think that's about all there's to show you. You've seen the engine. I can pop it, I guess. There it is. Matt says it does lose a little coolant and maybe a little oil. Nothing tremendous, but you know, just so you know. Anyway, if you want me to take video or pictures or anything else, let me know.